Hello, and welcome to Be Mindful, an online course for learning and practicing mindfulness. My name's Ed Halliwell. I'm a mindfulness teacher, and I'll be working with you throughout the course.
Hello, I'm Tessa Watt. I'm also a teacher of mindfulness, and I'll be joining with Ed to lead you through the course.
This course is designed to help you bring awareness to life and to manage difficulties more skillfully. Everyone faces challenges at some time or another, and we can all benefit from tools that can help us work with them better. A lot of the strategies that we habitually use to try and manage problems actually aren't that helpful. When we get stressed, sometimes we might try harder and harder to keep things under control. This can mean we start desperately juggling everything in our lives, thinking things over and over, and reacting impulsively. At other times, we might try to push away our stress, fighting the feelings and thoughts that come up in the hope they'll disappear. That doesn't usually work either. But there is another approach we can take.
Stress and challenges are part of life. In this course, we'll be showing you a different way of handling them and discovering how to enjoy our life more. Mindfulness means paying attention to our thoughts, feelings and body sensations, and the environment. With mindfulness, we gently bring awareness to our experience in each moment. By being present in this way, not forcing things or hiding from them, but actually being with them, we create space for new ways of responding. We may not always have full control over our lives, but we can work with our minds and bodies, learning how to live with more appreciation and less anxiety.
The mindfulness practices contained in this course aren't new. They've been around for thousands of years. But recently, scientific research has been showing how useful they are for reducing stress, anxiety, and depression, helping people manage a wide range of physical conditions, and for our general well-being. So mindfulness isn't useful just if you're feeling stressed or ill. It can help any of us enjoy a more wakeful, healthier, happier life. You don't have to be stressed at the moment to take this course. Actually, it can be particularly useful to do when you aren't stressed, as you'll be developing skills that you can then use more easily when things get tough.
Mindfulness isn't a quick fix. Part of the practice is being willing to let go of instant solutions. But if you're motivated, a fresh perspective can begin to emerge. It can extend to the whole of our life. When we start practicing mindfulness, we're embarking on a journey that can help us to live more fully, to really be alive. We look forward to seeing you on the course and sharing that journey with you over the coming weeks.